Many sports fans in Florida are cautiously optimistic after a federal appeals court reinstated the deal that allows the Seminole Tribe of Florida to offer online sports betting. Investigative reporter Ryan Kruger shows us why some experts believe you could get some action down, and soon.
Just 2 months until the NFL kicks off, Florida sports fans may be able to soon place a bet on their favorite team. That's after the D.C. Court of Appeals ruled in favor of the Seminole Tribe of Florida.
If they want to, they can relaunch their online sportsbook tomorrow. And what's anyone going to say?
Let's go back in time about 18 months. Gamblers in Florida got a brief taste of legalized sports betting in the Sunshine State in late 2021. After an agreement between the state and the Seminole Tribe of Florida, the Hard Rock launched a mobile sports betting app in November of that year. But just a few weeks later, a federal judge put it on hold. Opponents argued the app, which can be used anywhere in the state, violates state law, which says gambling can only happen on tribal lands.
This has impacts that stretch far beyond the boundaries of Florida and can impact tribal and non-tribal gaming operators in every state.
Attorney Daniel Wallach is one of the leading experts on sports betting in Florida. He says it's possible the case could eventually be heard by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, the Seminole Tribe have the ruling that heavily favors them, and that in all likelihood is the ruling that's going to stand. We may have to wait another year and a half in order for this process to play out to know for sure 100% whether that's the final ruling.
The group No Casino says the ruling will not be the final word on the issue. They argue Florida law says only voters get to decide to expand gambling in the state. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.